Alright, we've been carrying the solar panel around with us for a while, and I took all this apart today. Let's see if we can get in there. Yeah, so this is the, I don't know, the boys' cabin with the wall panel removed. And this is what it looks in there. So these cables go back to steer the boat, and they come down from right there. But these two wires, let's see if I can get them, these two wires that go up into there, and then go down into here, and then go under the bed, straight to the batteries. And I'm really excited that I got that all worked out. And then up here, I removed my my old CD player because we don't play CDs, and it wasn't hooked up anyway. It was a JVC player, and this is not a JVC CD or stereo, so they didn't work. So we took that out, and I'm gonna buy a board to cover this and make it nice and finished. But right now, I've got this panel, and the panel is telling me that we have 17 or 12.7 volts. It might be backwards because of the way I'm using the camera. But yeah, so now, because our old way of doing it was just with this. So we had 13 for charging, 12 for whatever that means, and then 11 for you're in trouble. So I have no idea what, that means right there. Now, I've got my little fancy charge controller that tells me we got 12.7 volts in the battery, which is really exciting. And yeah, so the panel is sitting out here. And maybe today I'm gonna hook it up. Leanne's about to go on shore.
For my first happy hour with a boat mom ever. Okay,
Yeah.
second happy hour.
Yeah.
Because I hung out with Jill once.
So anyway, I'm
I'm
really
getting that done today.
excited to install the
Sorry.
panel. So if the kids stay cool, I will get to install my solar panel, or at least hook up the wires. It's kind of cool. I'm really pumped. I can see why people get addicted to solar because this is pretty cool. So anyway, see you later.